Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog wipes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pogies fragrance-free grooming wipes. Pogies grooming wipes are a favorite thanks to their versatility, eco-friendly ingredients, and affordable price. You can buy them in packs of 100, 120, 240, and 400, and they're available in both unscented and green tea scented options. These grooming wipes are 8 by 9 inches, and they have a thick, textured construction that won't tear as you clean your dog. They're ideal for cleaning your dog's coat, paws, and more, and they're free from parabens, alcohol, and chlorine. Instead, the wipes use natural ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, and Hawaiian awa puhi to clean and freshen your dog's coat. Moving on at number 4, we have the Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes. The Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes are ideal for cleaning out your dog's ears, which can help to eliminate odors and prevent infections. The circular wipes come in packs of 100, and they're soaked in a soothing formula that can help to remove dirt, waxy buildup, and discharge from your pooch's ears. These ear wipes are safe for dogs over 12 weeks old, and they can be used regularly, as the formula is gentle and non-irritating. The alcohol-free formula is infused with aloe vera and eucalyptus oil, and the wipes are made in small batches to ensure freshness. At number 3, we have the Miracle Care Eye Clear Sterile Eye Wash Pads. If your dog often has goop in their eyes or develops tear stains, the Miracle Care Eye Clear Eye Wash can help remove eye debris and keep the area clean. The wipes come in containers of 90 or 180 pre-soaked pads, and the gentle formula won't sting or cause irritation. These eye pads can be used both in and around your dog's eyes, and they're safe for cats and other animals, as well. Plus, many pet owners like that these wipes are effective at removing tear stains on white dogs. Tear stains occur when normal eye discharge enzymes react with the air and the fur to cause staining, says Dr. McCarthy. Dog wipes can help diminish tear stains by gently wiping the eye tearing away before it dries and settles into the fur. At number 2, we have the True Blue Pet Products Super Fresh Body and Paw Wipes. Does your dog track mud and dirt inside after playing in the yard? If so, the True Blue Super Fresh Wipes are an ideal choice for cleaning off their paws. These wipes are soaked with an all-natural botanical solution, and their large 8 by 7 inch size gives you more room to wipe off dirty dog feet. The True Blue wipes contain macadamia nut oil, as well as grapefruit oil. The wipes won't leave your pet's fur greasy or sticky after cleaning. While the wipes are safe when used on your dog's fur, you shouldn't use it on their face, as contact with eyes isn't recommended. And finally at number 1, we have the Maxi-Guard Dental Cleansing Wipes. If your pup doesn't like having their teeth brushed, a dental wipe can help keep their teeth cleaner between professional cleanings too, although they're not as effective as regular brushing. We like the Maxi-Guard Dental Cleansing Wipes. The pack contains 103-inch rounds made from a textured material. The wipes are tasteless, so they won't bother your dog or encourage them to try to eat one while you wipe. The Maxi-Guard dental wipes help to fight buildup, thanks to their zinc-based formula, and they can even help to freshen your dog's breath. The wipes are appropriate for dogs of all ages, and they're safe for long-term using. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.